Well, good morning. It's a hideous day, which makes it a great day for planting. So we're starting the cedar driveway bed, I guess that's what it's called for now, with some bone meal in a bucket, and I'll give you a tour of what we're trying to do. The last time I top dressed, and you can see I haven't added any more soil to this bed than what you're looking at, and it's melded with the leaves very nicely. I want to make a shout out to Bahamian or Nutted, that is a station in Nassau, I think, or anyway, in the Bahamas, which is available on the internet. Radio Garden. Radio Garden's awesome website /app, and it sort of helps me on these days that are nasty. Okay, come and take a look at the bed. Closer. Okay, so this is a purple cineraria. Nice, huh? Lots of buds coming. There's 5 of them. You can see, I think the last one's a little too far apart. Anyway, at the end from last fall, very cheap, is Dog Hobble. And Dog Hobble, this is a variegated Dog Hobble. There's another one that's looking kind of sickly. They're supposed to have white berries, I think, pretty soon. Next to it is Korean viburnum, and viburnum will make those white balls of almost hydrangea flowers. And then we have 2 weeklias, one here, just about to leaf out. Those were from the fall. Oh, and one more viburnum. Looks fantastic. You can see the flowers started. Okay, so we're going to put an azalea here. You can see the buds are just coming. It's going to be beautiful. Campanula line. Another azalea. Another azalea. These were $10, as you can see. And then, yeah, that's it for now. The cineraria are just starting to pop, and I'm infilling with some purple pansies in the driveway bed. It's the following week, and you can see if I show you up close, campanulas have faded completely. Actually kind of disappointing. I was hoping they'd last a little longer, but I wasn't surprised that they've crashed, because I knew they had already peaked last week. Oh, they don't look great. And whoever planted these needs a little bit of a lesson. Doesn't matter, they'll be back next year, and this means that campanula will be probably $1 or free down at Home Depot, because they had a lot of them. They had a whole table of them. They also had 6 tables, 6 3-tiered tables full of hellebores, purple hellebores, and I'm going to go there tomorrow morning and try and work a deal with them for 100 or more hellebores. Typically they're $15 each, but hopefully I can get them for $1 or $2 tomorrow morning. I wanted to show you this 40-meter bed that was created last year. For the last 40 years there were cedar trees all along the front of this stone wall, and the branches actually came all the way out to the sidewalk, obliterated the wall. You couldn't see the wall. There was no lawn, it was just dirt. I planted the grass seed last year, and you can see it's pretty patchy. But this upper bed has become a real pleasure. It's the first thing I put in was Sarcococa, and there's 50 of them, I think, and I got them super cheap. And they look really good this year. Lots of flowers coming, should be smelling nice soon. You can see I'm putting in 4 lemon cypress in this bed just to visually block from the driveway. It's also to balance out the whole picture from across the street, because at the other end of this long bed there's 4 more lemon cypress that were planted last year. They're not as bright as the ones that are going in over here. But hopefully from back here, eventually there will be some kind of balance between these two, which means I need to do some kind of feature right there in the middle. Oh my god, I just realized I'm copying somebody from the internet. See my finger pointing to this section where there's gonna be, I'm actually I'm copying the $1 house is what I'm doing, except my nails are not as nice. Okay, so that's the new bed that I will be planting this summer. I'm back at Home Depot attempting to make a special deal for these hellebores. You can see they're listed as $15, which was a bargain when they were in good condition. I've seen them at Garden Works, same kind, for $25. So, but Home Depot purchased 500 of them and they haven't sold, and they're getting ready to throw them away. So I'm here to buy as many of them as I can for as little as I can. So I'll let you know how the deal goes down afterwards. I'm sure they won't let me film that. But I do have a truck ready to come and pick up potentially 500 of these. I don't know where I'm going to put them, but we'll see. Alright, hi. I'm going to end this video on this last day of May, beautiful sunny day, putting in 30 standard impatiens into this bed to contrast against the primary purple color. There's a lot that hasn't happened yet in this bed, but I'm getting impatient to publish the video. So I think for those of you who are interested, who have seen this video, whatever video I make next, I will start it right here in this location so you can see how things change over the next couple weeks, because I'm pretty sure there will be a dramatic improvement. It's very nice right now, but a little bit on the quiet side. And I would like a bit more of a riot of color. So let's take a look at what's going on. Actually, I'm just going to plant these. You'll see what I'm doing. I'm going to do it sped up so none of us have much wasted time. Happen to have a trowel right here. Okay, 30 impatiens. Let's go. Okay, so that's that. I'm going to give you a quick close-up tour. Come here, will ya? Okay, so the cineraria are clearly still dominating the picture, stealing the show. Purple cineraria are doing great. These are finicky plants, though. You can see they're starting to look tired. They may perk up and go all summer. They may fade out and be gone in a couple weeks. But there's a lot of very reliable plants here, pansies and impatiens, which will take over if and when they do fade. You can see at the back of the bed, lots of hellebores from the big hellebore sale. Let's just have a look around the corner at the front bed here, which I showed you a couple weeks ago. You can see the hellebores have all settled in. There's an army of them, but not much color right now. It's just kind of green.